What's up, Loc Nation? It's your girl Kenyatta here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be getting into the pull through braid on locks. So if you'd like to see how it's done, keep on watching. Pull through braid that you would like to do on locks, you want to start off with ponytails down the middle of your head. All the way to the front. You want to have a ponytail all the way down the middle. So we're going to start off at the very front of the head with the pull through braid, and what you basically do is take the very first ponytail here, okay? We're going to split this ponytail into two sections. Clip them to the side, just like that. First ponytail, two sections out of the way. Then we're going to take the second ponytail and bring it forward, straight down to the front of your forehead. Now you see the third ponytail right here. We're going to go ahead and remove our clips. And we're going to take this very first ponytail and we're going to bring it around together. And we're going to connect it with this third ponytail. Have some rubber bands here. Take this second ponytail that we brought to the front. We're going to split it in two. Get it out of the way. Clip it to the side. Go ahead and bring it forward. Just like that. Bring it backward to that fourth ponytail. We're going to go ahead and connect them together. Rubber bands here. Now for the pull through braid is go ahead and begin to fluff this first section, okay? We're going to pull one lock at a time. We're going to go ahead and do that. Okay. And you definitely want to do this as you go along, because you don't want to do the whole braid and then call yourself tugging on these areas. It will not be successful. So, see? Boop, boop. We're going to go ahead and fluff that second section, one lock at a time. Don't try to pull the whole section, just one lock at a time. And you really want to eyeball it and make sure you have the right amount of fluff in each section that you want. I recommend keeping the very first section a little bit smaller than you would as you go back. You know, you kind of want it to elevate into that dramatic look that we're going for. Okay, so fluff that part. See, two sections fluffed. Now this third ponytail, what we're going to do is bring that forward, just like so. And what we're going to do is take that ponytail, we're going to split it in two, just like that. Clip it out of the way, just like that. We're going to go ahead and take the fourth ponytail. We're going to bring it forward. Remove our clips. We're going to take that ponytail, bring it back, and we're bringing it back to the fifth ponytail. We're going to take some rubber bands and we're going to connect that hair with that ponytail. Have my rubber bands here. Very easy. We're going to go ahead and take this section here and we're going to split it in two. We're going to take that ponytail, put it forward. That ponytail, we're going to take the hair that we split in two, bring it around just like so. We're going to connect it with that ponytail there. We're going to grab a rubber band. We're going to connect the rubber band and the entire everything just like that. One time. Okay? I'm going to pull this hair back. See here. We're going to fluff these two sections that we just completed. And we're going to go ahead and start pulling on one lock at a time. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 sections fluffed. We're going to go ahead and continue the braid. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button. Share this video on your Instagram, on your Facebook, wherever you share cool stuff. Comment down below and let me know what you think about this pulled through braid on Locs. Subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.